show you guys how to do a multiple camera angles. So you can start up a new library and just call it 3 cameras. Just going to save it in my 3 camera folder right there. Alright, and then I'm going to import those files, which are right here. So I'll get out of the full screen view and just drag these in. And you just got to put it right to the dated folder right here. Okay, now you're going to start, I'm going to go full screen again and get a start a project, 3 cameras, like that, and just go with the defaults is fine. 3 camera. Alright, so what you do is now you're going to want to select. Alright, let's do this so it looks a little bigger. I think it's going to look bigger. Alright, so you're going to select these 3 videos here. They're from the 3 different camera angles that we used for this episode. And then you're going to control click on it and go to new multicam clip. Alright. And it's going to go through and ask you a couple of things. Just stick with the defaults here. It's going to try to synchronize the 3 of them together, which it shouldn't have any trouble because I've used this before. And yes, you might run into some issues occasionally, but it should be alright. Okay, then you just select the multicam clip, press E on the keyboard to put it into your project, and there it is. Okay, so if you double click here, you'll see there's the three sets of videos all lined up from the initial spike here. Like you can see here, here, and here is when there's a clap that syncs it up. You can see the clap and see the clap again. Alright, so the audio is all synced up, and you see it ends about the same spot approximately. Alright, so you close this up right here, and then you've got your 3 video streams. What you got to do is go back in and pick the one you want to use the audio from. We're going to use the one of the camera pointed at Haley, so you come here and you click the audio icon right there and close it up. Okay, now you go up to the view, top right side, and go to angles. Now here it's going to show you the different angles. You need to have 4 angles, even though there's 3. And as you can see, pretty cool, it shows all of that. So we're going to close the left side by clicking up here, and now you've got the 3 angles, and this is the viewer here that shows you what's up at the time. Alright, so we're going to scroll over and start. Now, as you can hear, that all we're hearing is the audio from the camera without a really good microphone here. Okay, but as you can see, it syncs up, but the audio is not good, so you're going to want to come over here, and you're going to want to select camera 2's audio. So camera 2, it says cameras 2, but that's fine. Click up camera 1, and now you've got that audio. And you can hear the microphone getting knocked around and all that stuff. Alright? Okay, so here we go. We start.
Sorry, here we go.
Okay. So, then we
get this episode. We got to say next one.
Okay, so you're going to be trimming it down to make it a usable beginning to this episode. So you're going to want to take this and trim until the episode looks like it's about to start here. Alright. So she goes through and does an intro.
Okay.
Can't say it's episode 7.
Hi, everybody.
Okay, so you're going to come to here and cut right here, or start right here, and start there.
Hi, everybody. So now we are on to episode 7.
Okay.
So, yes, 5-2. So, yeah.
Okay, now to switch between angles, you can play the video, which we'll do. Let's play the video, and you click where you want it to cut to. You can click on any of these. All right.
So at this point,
Clicking here.
At this point, after the
See, that's my angle.
Telling Joe you've
There's
got to go.
Haley's
kill
angle.
Lockwood. It's good for both of us.
And there's the main angle.
Nadia
right?
is with her boyfriend trying to figure out what's going on.
So you see how that works.
And then we step right.
Or you can hit.
the first scene.
I'm going to kill the audio. Or you can click on the keyboard, camera 2, camera 3, camera 1, camera 2, camera 3, camera 1. And let's say you want to undo it, you can hit the space bar and just hit Command Z to undo your last one, or you can even come in. I don't want to do that. He's too handsome already. You can't have that much more handsome. Alright, so I'm going to zoom in on the keyboard, or on the timeline here. Let's say you want to expand what Haley's saying. You just grab here and drag it over, drag it back, so you can correct and make it more precise. Pretty cool. Alright, so after you're done editing that together, you may have some audio issues where it switches back to the other audio source. I'll have to show you how to fix that. It gets complicated. I don't really like when that happens, obviously, but here we go. So we're going through it again, and you can even edit at 2 times speed by hitting L on the keyboard, and it goes at twice speed. So you can actually edit through faster when people are talking, whatever, like that. Okay, now what I want you to do is when you're done, it's only 5-minute video, or what is it, 428, I think. Once you're done cutting back and forth between the views, like if she's looking at me and talking, you need to cut to that angle. And if I'm talking, you should cut back to me. And if it's kind of a general shot, go back to this one. Okay. And then when you're done, I want you to make a title. Put a title at the beginning, Hayes Review, and title at the end, Hayes Review. And then you'll be turning the XML only from this. Again, let's say we're done. You can bring back your side here, and you would click or come up here to click on your camera angles, go up here to export. You're going to export XML, and you're going to do previous version, 3 camera, and put your name on the end of it, and export that and turn that in. That's your project. Good luck. Go Texas.